Yash this side from Tech Buggers. This is our first video as you know already. So let's get started. So today we have a wireless charger. Actually, we call it as my wireless charger. I've got it from Alibaba for around 650 rupees and I found it not well packed. Actually, I have not expected this from a brand like Alibaba. यार मज़ा नहीं आया. For packing, I'll give it around 4 out of 10. So let me find my scissor. Yeah, there it is. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just open it. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'll just unbox it first, and then after we'll go for the tear down. So actually the reason for making this video is just let you know that how exactly a wireless charger or a normal wireless charger, how wireless technology works in terms of charging, right? So I think this is the charging panel, or you can say receiver, which will be inside your phone. I think it can be over your phone as well. So let's get to the dock. Let's keep this aside. So now I'm going to unbox this out. Oops. Let's keep all this, no documentation. Here we got a so-called USB cable to just light up this dock. Not of well made, or you can say not a good build. So for the build quality of accessories within the dock, 6 out of 10. Let's keep this aside. Here's the main thing, which is a charging dock. It's pretty small. It's just as small as my palm. You can see it's looking like an Iron Man. So let's take it back. I don't have an Android device in my house or in my collection to just show you that how it works. I can just show you that how it works with my iPhone, because it won't gonna charge it up actually, but I can give you an idea that how actually it works. It will be on the back side of the case or cover which you will be using. Let's say अगर आपका जो कवर है उसके पीछे हम इसको रख देंगे और उसको नॉर्मली ऐसे फोल्ड करेंगे हल्का सा, जो दिखेगा भी नहीं. काफ़ी अच्छा पॉइंट है ये इसका. और इसको नॉर्मली नीचे से कनेक्शन मिल जाएगा, राइट. तो ये ड्यूरेबल तो है ही, साथ में काफ़ी कॉम्पैक्ट भी है. जैसे हम देखेंगे अगर मैं इसको कवर के अंदर डालूँगा तो हार्डली नोटिसेबल. So how it works, we'll discuss all these points in this video. Firstly, I would like to connect it with a power. Okay, this light blinks when it get connected. I think this is the indication that it has connected with a power source. So will it work? Okay, let me check it with my headphones. Actually, only headphones in my house have got the type B USB input. I'm connected it. Yeah, it fits. Actually, for my future videos I'll try to fit this setup in my headphones, so there will be a wireless headphone. Strange, but I like that fact. If I just keep them over the dock, so-called dock. Yep, it's charging. Actually, I'm surprised. Okay, it's charging. Let's go to the tear down part. I'm disconnecting it. It's completely working as you have seen. Let's go for the tear down part. Let's keep all these things aside. firstly, I would like to go for my wireless receiver, or you can say wireless charging receiver. Great. I will need a scissor for the same. Actually, it's just a well-built paper over which the all setup is wrapped. I've just cut it down. It's sealed actually. So let me just open it for you. It's tightly packed actually. Okay, dokie. I got the concept over which it works. Just let me put some more force. It's taking a lot more power as I have. Thank you. Great. So it's nothing new inside it. It just works as same as I have thought. It has got some winding inside it, some copper winding. It works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. So what is it? It is like whenever a charged conductor, or you can say a current carrying wire has a magnetic field around it. In simple words, अगर एक वायर अगर उसमें करंट पास हो रहा है तो उसके आसपास एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बनेगा, राइट? और whenever magnetic field is there, there is some current, right? So for the example, होता क्या है, अगर ये डॉक है, राइट? डॉक के नीचे भी सेम ऐसी कॉइल मिलेगी. अभी हम इसको जब टीयर डाउन करेंगे तब देखेंगे. तो जो हमारा इनपुट करंट है उसकी वाइंडिंग्स डॉक के नीचे है, राइट? अब उसके आसपास एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बन रहा है, ठीक है? अब ये जो वायर्स हैं, जो ये वाइंडिंग है, इसके आसपास अगर कोई मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होगा, व्हेनेवर अ करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर इज प्लेस्ड नियर अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, द फ्लो ऑफ करंट स्टार्ट, राइट? तो जो इसके अंदर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बन रहा है उसको ये कन्वर्ट कर दे रहा है इलेक्ट्रिकल फोर्स में, ठीक है? ऐसा करने से जो हमारा डिवाइस है वो चार्ज होने लग जाता है. अराउंड 5 वोल्ट डीसी सप्लाई में यहाँ से बोर्ड पे आता है, ठीक है? ये बोर्ड डीसी को मैनिपुलेट करता है टू अ लेवल कि दैट वोंट हार्ट और दैट वोंट डैमेज आवर डिवाइस, राइट? तो ये तो था हमारे वायरलेस रिसीवर के अंदर. लेट्स गो फॉर द ट्रांसमीटर एज वेल. फॉर द ट्रांसमीटर मुझे मेरा स्क्रू ड्राइवर चाहिए होगा. As I have said you earlier, basically the principle was of electromagnetic induction. Let's see if it still works or not. If it will work, then hands off to you, China. Boom. It is showing a little bit current, but LED is not that much brighter that it used to be. I think it's gone now. It might be shorting. Not an issue, we'll find it out. But I think our teardown has come to a point that what exactly happens. Let's recap all this thing. Here's the input port. यहाँ से power आएगा. Let's connect it. Connected. Here are 3 transistors and 1 power supply transistor and a transmitting coil and a receiving coil. What happens is input 5 volt DC have been manipulated to a higher level and been transmitted to these coils. These coils are now creating a magnetic field around them. This magnetic field have been cached or have been converted into electric field or electric current flow of electrons again by this receiving coil. Again some circuitry there which is to maintain the flow of electron or to maintain a regular supply of DC current to charge the device safely. Let's scratch it out. Nothing new, same PCB board design backside.
Thanks for watching this video. Just like, subscribe and comment as they really motivates me a lot. See you next time. Just let me know in the comment section below what do you feel about this video. You can check the comment section if you want to buy this wireless charger. Links in the description for my website as well. Just let us know what other products you want me to tear down and need an explanation of any technical thing that how really they works. Thank you again. Love you all.